Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Deidran. Now, Bacchanal patrons made their way to Morgan's Harbor venue for the newly added event, Baywatch Cooler Fit. The event featured New York-based DJ Kevin Crown, DJ Sanjay and Tyler, who brought the Bacchanal vibe to the event's loyal patrons. We were there. We have highlights. Check it out.
Where she from, I don't know. Rock she wears and go low. Pick up the place like a dojo.
It's a great turnout, you know. The patrons have really beefed it up from Wetfed. It's a brand new event to the calendar, and I cannot wait for next year. This has been a complete success, and I can't wait to see how this event grows. As always, Bacchanal has a few surprises in store for the Rebels. But I can say that this year we'll have not only Kez and the band on the road, but Ricardo Drew and his team, and we can't wait for the performances. The lunch stop is even better than last year. It's hard to top, but all the Rebels are going to be impressed, and I can't wait to show it to them.
It was a bunch of energy tonight from the crowd, and I liked it. When I played Soca Kingdom, and everyone was hyped up about it, and the energy was just great for that.
Your person who like focus, person like grooving, and we call tripping music. Yeah. So, in the grooving section, hard to pick. In power, it's a halfway cut between Soca Kingdom and of course Top Striker. And of course, this year we saw a rise of certain artists who are younger in the soccer game, maybe like Voice, and I say your Voice anyway that you big up yourself.
44876, the new project from Shaggy and Sting. The highly anticipated project is now available for pre-order, with the second single, Morning Is Coming, being released. The album cover and a 16-track listing for the collaborative album were released recently. The 44876 project features Morgan Heritage and fourth-gen boss Idonia. Shaggy joins Sting on his European tour to perform selections from their album and some of their most celebrated hits, such as Every Breath You Take, Englishman in New York, Mr. Bombastic, and Angel. Reggae recording artist Kenny Smith is excited about his new opportunities. The artist, who released the EP titled Serious Business late last year, now turns his attention to the international market this year. Kenny anticipates great things on an international level and has now adjusted his name from Kenny Smith to Kenny Smith, but SMYTH, for more international separation and searchability. His recent projects include singles Can't Sleep at Night, produced by Immuta Records from Germany, and his brand new single Only You, produced by KO Beats from Belize. Both singles are showing great potential and is receiving major traction on international airwaves. Kenny Smith will visit Belize on a promotional tour this spring. His Serious Business EP is distributed by Zodiac worldwide and is available on all digital platforms. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Deidran. Thank you for watching.